Angles of an isosceles triangle measure 70 degrees and x degrees. What is the sum of the three possible values of x? So since we're finding the sum of three possible values of x, there's going to be three triangles that we have to find. So the first triangle we have here is triangle number 1. And it's an isosceles triangle, so these two angles are going to be congruent. So the values of the angles are equal. And for the first triangle, we can let these angles be 70 degrees. So they're both 70 degrees. And then we have the sum of the angles in the triangle is 180. So 180 minus 70 equals 40 degrees. So this angle is 40 degrees. So we had 70 degrees from the question here. And then 40 degrees can be the value of x. And then for triangle number 2. For triangle number 2, we can let these two angles be x, since they're equals. And then if they're x, then this angle has to be 70. Since the question included the 70 and the x. So we have 180 minus 70 equals 110. So we have 2x equals 110, since they both share this degree. So x equals 110 divided by 2 is 55. So the second possible angle for x is 55. And from the 40, that's the first. And then from the third choice, the third triangle we have here, this angle can be x. And then this angle can be 70. Since we have both two angles are the same, we can make one angle different. And since these two angles were congruent and equal, this angle is 70, so this angle is 70 also. So x can also be 70. Since it was an isosceles triangle and these two angles are equal. So we have the three values of x is 40, 55, and 70. So if we add them up, we get 40 plus 55 plus 70, and that's going to equal 165. So D is our answer.